Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last night I just colored my hair using the Schwarzkopf keratin color in the shade Midnight Black, and this was a request to try it again and see if I love it, and the answer to that is yes. I can't remember a color that didn't irritate my head, that was just so simple, where I put it on and had no irritation whatsoever and just kind of breezed through it. I was able to just slap the color on and not have any irritation the whole time, and it was amazing. So with this color, you get a pre-color serum and it looks like this, and since I use 2 boxes, I use 2 of these, and you basically just put it on your ends. That's all you do, is before you even start coloring on your dry hair, you put it on your ends. You squirt it out and then you just rub it in on your ends. And since I used 2 boxes, I had 2 of these. So I put my hair up and did 1 bottle for like this section of hair, and then I tied this together and then did the top with the second bottle. And I used the whole entire bottle on just the ends of my hair. So literally like just a fistful, like from this all the way down to my ends. I just went like this and saturated the whole bottom of my ends, and I was good to go. So this hair color smells like men's cologne. It's not super strong, it just smells good. It doesn't smell horrible, and it's not so overpowering where you need ventilation either. And this color contains toluene in it, and like I said, I still haven't figured out which color works with me, because the last Schwarzkopf I did, like I think 2 videos ago, had toluene in it, and it irritated my head as well. But when I used it like 4 years ago, it never did that. There was no irritation whatsoever with that one. And then I tried it again 4 years later, and it itched. I mean, it was bearable, but it itched like the whole time. And that color had toluene in it as well. So like I haven't figured out if PPD or toluene, which one irritates me. And it could be like a whole nother chemical that mixes with it that just doesn't sit well on my head. Anyways, this color is 100% gray coverage, and it's super dark and super blue, and it does stain your skin. My skin is pretty stained. It does stain your countertops too, so just be careful. You're gonna have to get your scrub and bubbles or some bleach out to get it out. But my hair is super sleek and super shiny and very staticky, and it could just be because it's super dry in my house and it's super freezing outside. It's I think -2 today, but it's super dark and I don't see a ton of blue. I do see the blue. It's very subtle, so it's not like bam in your face blue, but I do see the hues here and there. Like I can see it right here when it picks up the light, but overall it just looks like a really dark jet black, which I'm okay with. But I do see the blue. It's just not very like wow in your face blue like I really like. It's not as blue as like on the box, but it is blue. And yeah, it's such a gorgeous color, but it's not showing up that blue. I wish it was, but it's just very like you can get a hint of blue whenever you move your head. And would I buy this color again? Yes, absolutely. It's definitely worth it. Mainly because it doesn't irritate my head. So I will use any color that won't bother my scalp and itch like crazy. And it was just kind of like a good refresher to be like, oh wow, I actually colored my hair and didn't have to scratch the whole time. Like, that was amazing. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I have nothing bad to say about it. It smells great. My hair is so soft and smooth and sleek. It's super dark. It's got 100% gray coverage. What more can a girl want? Yeah, I just wish it would show up a little bit more blue. You can see like hints of it. But it's not as crazy as, and it's not as blue as on the box, but you know, what can you do? But I do see it in different lighting, and I do see it when I move my head. It's just not as like, wow, in your face, like I said. So yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this. It's overall still as amazing as it was before, 4 years ago. So I think I said pretty much the same thing about it. Let me look through my notes from years ago. Yes, I have a folder, or not a folder, I have a notebook of all the hair colors I've ever done. And it has all my notes of what I think of the color. Yeah, it says perfect for hair that was previously damaged. That is true, because you're basically coating it with like a what is it called? A protective pre-color serum that protects like, what is the word? Dead ends or like split ends and previous damage from getting more damaged with color. I also wrote that it was super shiny and sleek, has a tint of blue, looks more of a jet black, which I just said as well. And I got the color from Walmart. Apparently that's all I had to say about it. And oh, I wrote, I love it. So I had more to say about it this time, but basically everything is still true. And I love it. My hair is super staticky today. But yeah, so any other color that you guys want me to try, I kind of have been going on eBay to find colors because I've been getting lots of requests for stuff that I cannot find here in the US. So I've just kind of been searching eBay and Amazon for these colors. I just got a color from, well, I just ordered it. I'm not going to get it until February because it's coming from Bulgaria, but it's a Schwarzkopf Perfect Mousse, and that was a recommendation, and I couldn't find it on Amazon, and I could only get it in black. I couldn't get it in blue black like it was requested. That I searched everybody that was selling it, and this was like the only color I could find. So we'll try that out in February, at the end of February, unfortunately, when I get it. So I do have my list. Every time I get a recommendation, I write it down and I search everywhere for it. Amazon, I try my stores here first, and then I search eBay, Amazon if I can't find it anywhere, and then I try my best to get the exact color that is requested, and if I can't, I just go for a blue black or a jet black, whatever's available. So I try. So yes, if there's any other recommendations or anything that you wanted to see me try, let me know and I will definitely give it a try. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.